Hello everyone, I am Aditya Goenka, an IIT Kharagpur alumni, co-founder of B10X and Mad About Sports, and a productivity hacker when it comes to Microsoft Office. And today, I am thrilled to invite you to my Excel using AI workshop. After attending my workshop, you will be able to analyze vast amounts of data effortlessly, uncover hidden patterns, and make data-driven decisions faster than ever before. And the best part, with ChatGPT, you will have a virtual mentor guiding you through complex Excel functions, helping you become a true Excel guru and a valuable asset for your organization. So hurry up and don't miss on this incredible opportunity to secure your job and increase your salary in 2024. Enroll now by clicking on the link below and get bonuses worth Rs 10,500 for absolutely free.